Hello everyone, Mrs. Hall here, and welcome back to our second step SEL lessons. I hope everyone had a nice break. The last time you learned that sometimes people do things they didn't mean to do. They do them by accident. Who remembers what you say when you do something by accident? Yep, that's right. You say, I didn't mean to do it. It was an accident. I'm sorry. Are you okay? That lets your friends know that you care. Well, today we will continue our last lesson of Unit 2 on empathy. And oh, wait a minute. I hear something. Do you hear that? Someone sounds sad. I think it's Molly. Let's see what's going on.
What's wrong, Molly? What happened? I was running and skipping outside. I fell and scraped my hand. Ow, I know how that feels. It hurts and it's a little scary too. I want to help Molly. What can I do? Okay. All right, that sounds like a good idea. Thank you. Molly, let's go ask the teacher for a Band-Aid. I'll go with you to find her.
Hey, what's wrong?
Look, I fell and scraped my hand. Max came with me to find you to get a Band-Aid. I didn't want her hand to get hurt anymore.
Max, you showed you care. You helped your friend find me. You also made sure that she didn't bump her hand and hurt it anymore. That was a very kind thing to do, Max. Helping others is a way to show that you care about them. We always show our friends that we care when we do nice things, even if we're just playing with them or notice that they have a problem. Showing your friends that you care is really important. Max was a really great friend to Molly. Do you help your friends? Have you ever had a friend help you? It makes you feel really good when friends show they care about you. Now I want to teach you a song about helping and caring. It's kind of sung in the tune of the Three Blind Mice. The words are, show everyone you care about how they feel. Show everyone you care about how they feel. Listen to them, help them. Listen to them, help them. Show everyone you care. You ready to sing it? Show everyone you care about how they feel. Show everyone you care about how they feel. Listen to them, help them. Listen to them, help them. Show everyone you care. Show everyone you care about how they feel. Show everyone you care about how they feel. Listen to them, help them. Listen to them, help them. Show everyone you care. All right, guys, see you later.